start on number talks this morning. Remind me, Bailey, what do we need to do before we give any responses? We want to think about it. Take our think time. Everybody show me your signal to let me know you're taking some think time. That's right. Now, once you've thought about it and you have your response, Zach, what do we need to do? Can you show me in some way? Do we have a signal to show me that you're ready to give your response? That's it. Zach's got it. This is letting me know, hey, I've thought about it. I have a response for you, and I know a strategy that I could share with you to let you know how I got my response. When you're thinking about it, if you're just waiting on somebody else to give their strategy, and you can think of another strategy too, like maybe two strategies, you can even show me with two fingers that you have two different ways to find your response. So let's take a look at our first problem. We've got a double 10 frame. Go ahead and look at this. Take some think time. Oh, I see already lots of responses with strategies. People are ready. All right. Zach, how many do you see?
12.
Okay, Zach sees 12. All right, Elijah, how many do you see? 12. Okay, so we've got 12. Does everybody agree with that? Okay. If anyone has a different response, just raise a quiet hand and let me know. So everybody sees 12. All right, Zach, how did you see 12?
I see a double fact.
A doubles fact. Okay, and what is that doubles fact? What math problem could we get from that?
6 plus 6.
Very good. So Zach sees a doubles fact. And that problem, he said, is 6 plus 6, which equals 12. Okay? I know all of you said you agreed with that it was 12. Does anybody else have another strategy or another way they see it? All right. Madison, what do you see? How do you see it?
I see double facts plus 1.
You see a doubles fact plus 1?
I see 5 and 5 is 10 plus 2 more is 12.
So doubles plus 2. I heard you say 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 2 more that are left over, and that would be 12. Very good. So doubles plus 2. So Madison says she sees doubles plus 2. And Madison, tell me again, what was your math fact? You started with
5 plus 5
okay,
plus
and that equals
10.
all right, and then
I counted up and I saw 2 more.
2 more. So what would that math fact be? 10.
10 plus 2 equals 12.
Very good. Very good responses.
Miss Dubberly,
Yes, ma'am.
Preston's on his way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Christian. You have another strategy to share of how you got 12? What's your strategy? Counting by twos. All right. Counting by twos. Christian, I'm going to let you count by twos for me. We'll go ahead and start. All right, go ahead and count by twos for me.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 8, 2.
Good job. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And you got the 12. All right. Let's go ahead and look at our next problem. Again, we want to take some think time. And then let me know when you have your responses. I see lots of responses already. Brianna, how many do you see?
13.
Brianna sees 13. All right, Bryson, how many do you see? 13. Carter, how many do you see?
13.
Does everybody agree that it's 13? Do we agree with them? Looks like I see everybody just about agreeing. Jatavia, do you see anything different? Or do you agree with them? You agree also? Okay, well let's go back to, who was the first person that told me 13?
Maya. No, me.
Brianna, how did you see 13? You see doubles fact?
5 plus 5
she saw a doubles back, 5 plus 5 equals 10, and then she has 3 more left over. So could you use that doubles back to fill in one of your 10 frames?
You can put them to it.
Yeah, I'm going to move this to the side, and I'm going to bring all 5 of these up here to fill up the 10 frame. Like that? Okay, so Brianna sees, let's see. So what are your math problems then? You said you started with 5 plus 5, and that equals? And then? Okay, so how would you write that in a math problem? A math fact?
10 plus 3 equals 13.
Very good. All right, did anybody have another strategy? Bryson?
I use a double facts plus 1.
Okay. Bryson says he uses a double fact plus 1. Can you tell me what that would be?
I had 6 and 6, and then 1 more.
Okay. Brianna. Bryson. All right, so Bryson sees doubles plus 1. And you said that was 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 1 more. Very good. And what does that equal? 13. Very good. You guys have your thinking caps on this morning. All right. Colin, do you have another strategy you want to share? What is it? Counting by threes? We could do that. Would that get us there quickly? Okay, well, I'll let you go ahead and count by threes for us. All right, go ahead. And then we have one more 13. Okay, all right, we can do that. It did get us there. So we have to count by threes and then add 1, right? All right, so Colin, that would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. That's a lot of adding, isn't it? We might could do that a little bit simpler by using one of these strategies, but that is a way to get there. All right, Lily, do you have a strategy? Counting by twos? Okay. All right, Lily, help me count by twos.
2, 4, 7.
Okay, let's try one more time. 2, 4.
6.
There you go.
9.
8.
9.
Everybody let's help Lily count by twos. Here we go.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
But then we only have one more. 13. Okay, so we could count by twos. If we want to use that strategy, let's make sure we practice it plenty and we can use it really well, okay? All right, one more problem, and then we will be finished with our number talks. That went by quickly. You guys are so smart. Just you throwing those strategies out. Very good. Take some think time. Okay, I see lots of people ready to respond already. Jemiah, how many do you see? Okay, Jemiah sees 14. Brian, how many do you see?
14.
Brian sees 14.
I see 14.
Does everybody agree that there are 14? All right, Madison, I see that you feel like there's another answer. What's your response?
I think 13.
Okay, so Madison says she sees 13. All right, well, let's take a look at those. All right, let's go ahead and come back over here to Jemiah. Can you tell me how you saw 14, Jemiah? You counted by twos? Okay. Everybody, let's count by twos and see if we get to 14.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
12,
13.
14. All right, again, make sure sure we know that strategy of counting by twos if we wanna use it, but yes, that fits us there, so Jemiah counted by twos. Alright, can anybody pull out a math fact for me? Alright, Elijah, how did you get your response? A doubles fact. Okay, what doubles fact do you see? 7 plus 7. Alright, I'm going to move this up here and then we can see it very clearly, okay? So, Elijah tells us she sees a doubles fact. And that is 7 plus 7. And we all know that 7 plus 7 equals what?
14.
14. Good job. Alright, does anybody else have another math fact that they can pull out of there to help us get our strategy? And we'll come to you in just a minute, Madison, because I know you have another response. Carter, do you see another math fact?
5 plus 5 equals 10 plus 4 more equals 14.
Very good. So you filled in a 10 frame. Is that the strategy you used? Bring these up here. We filled in that 10 frame. Carter filled in a 10 frame. And tell me those math facts again, those math problems.
I saw 10.
Okay, how did you get the 10? What did you say?
So 5 plus 5, and I know that equals 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14.
Very good. All right, so let's take a look at Madison's also. Madison, you said you see 13. Can you tell me how you found 13?
A double stack plus 3.
Okay. What doubles fact do you see?
5 plus 5 is 10 plus 3 more is 14.
Okay. So let's look at this. You said 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, and then how many more do we have left over? 4. And then what's 10 plus 4?
14.
Okay, so do you want to change your answer? Okay, so Madison's going to change her answer to be 14 also. Guys, you did an awesome job with number talks this morning. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Good job.